This is an askSlim trade idea video walkthrough for a short-term long in Tesla, TSLA, intermediate term. I'm going to hide the drawings for 1 second because I want you to see this, what we would be looking at as a box setup here. You can see this had set up a range that it had been in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6+ weeks. We then undercut the range on the downside and then re-entered. So what I would be doing here is to see how big of a range that undercut by, okay? So that is 412, let's say, to around 383. 17 plus 12 is right around, let's just say, $30 approximately. So then you add that to the upside of the range on the upsides. That will then set up a target of right around the even 500, which makes a lot of sense to me. Okay, now let's overlay the cycle analysis. So this is a 28 bar cycle bracket that I have on the chart. 9:15 to 12:1 is when the low was due. I like that we saw that undercut and rally off of a low. That is, something that we actually often see. And on the upside, I'm looking for a move, as we said, right around that 500 level in terms of our actual levels based on the fibs. Right on 514 to 543 are the levels up there. Jump over to the short term. Now there is a bull flag likely forming here in Tesla. Right on 440 to 431 is where I'm going to be watching to see if support comes in. If it loses the 421 level, that would invalidate this overall short-term bullish thesis. A low that is due 12.8 to right around 12.16, and on the upside, as I said, I am looking for a move towards 500, but first areas are this old high at about 474, and then there is an intermediate 38.2 at 482. If it gets through there, then I'll be looking for a move to the even 500 number after that. Okay, so really there are three separate targets here. I'm just going to add that $500 mark up there, so we have that for this trade idea. And that is our look there, along with our logic. Again, it is key to watch to see, does support come in here? This is just a zone, and now you have to watch to see if, in fact, it is respected or not. Okay, so that is our look here at TSLA on both the intermediate term and short term, and we will be monitoring this idea on the askSlim Trade Ideas feed on Discord if you'd like to join us there. Okay, and as we said, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks again, and have a good day.